Greetings humans, it is I, the super game developer, and today I will be showing you how to double jump in Unity. Yeah boy, I will be making a very simple jump using the rigid body component, but you can use your own jumping code if you prefer. We will start by adding a rigid body component to our player. Next we will create a script and add that to the player as well. Now we will open the script, of course. Imagine creating a script and not opening it. We will start by creating a reference to our rigid body component and assigning it in the start function. Next, we will make the player jump once we press the space key. Please note that this jumping code is only for demonstration purposes. You may want to use your own jumping code here depending on what kind of movement you want to achieve. Yeah boy. Now let's test the jumping. As you can see, the player jumps. However, they can jump an infinite amount of times. That's almost as many jumps as the amount of times I failed calculus. Let's create a variable to store our jump height. That way we can easily change our jump height in the inspector. Now let's create a variable to check if the player is on the ground. We will use collision, but you can also use raycasts if you prefer. We will check collision using a tag named floor, which we will create and assign to the ground object. When the player touches the grounded variable is set to true. When the player stops touching the grounded variable is set to false. Now select your ground object, then click on tag, then add tag, click the plus button, and create your new tag. Then click on your ground object, and select your new tag. Now let's create a variable for our maximum amount of jumps, as well as a variable to keep track of our current jumps. Now we will check if we have more than 0 remaining jumps when we press space. We will also remove a remaining jump whenever a jump is successfully made. Finally, we will reset the amount of remaining jumps to our maximum jump count once the player hits the ground. Now let's test the jumping. Yay, it works. Imagine watching a tutorial that does not work. I will now set the maximum jumps to 4. We can have as many as we want. And there it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, I beg you please, I need the